In this video I'm going to show you how to export Miro boards as PDF files. So what we will do, we have created a Miro board and we would like to export it as a PDF file. So the first step is of course to go to the three dots over here and click on the main menu. Next to that we can select the board option. Then we scroll a little bit down and there you will find the export option. Select that, then go to save as PDF and just click on it. Now, as you can see, you need at least one visible frame on the board, so make sure it is not hidden. So what we can do, we can add a frame, and as you can see, we can now select the size of the frame. So we will select the size frame 16 by 9. So select that, and now what you can do, you can make it a little bit bigger, so you ensure that it will fit into the frame. Now, once you have done that, you can right click on it, and then you can just drag it a little bit towards however you would like to have it. Now, once you are finished and happy with the design of the frame, then we can easily go to the three dots again and then export as PDF. Select that option. Now you will see that we can only export it in a small file size. If you would like to have the best quality, then you need to upgrade your plan within Miro. But for now, we will leave it in a small file size, so we will export it. Once you have done that, you will see that the new PDF file is downloaded into your files. Then open it, and as you can see, now we have the Miro board in a PDF file. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!